Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make simple soda soap step by step. Okay, you can see this measurement in this video. I take 2 cup of bleach palm oil and I'm taking 2 cup of lye solution. You can see everything is two. To make soda soap, guys, is so easy. It's as easy as ABC, okay? So that is it. Everything has to be of the same measurement. Watch this video to the very end and see exactly what I'm talking about. To make soda soap is the easiest, the simplest thing I've ever seen, okay? So this is a step by step for beginners on how to make soda soap and make your profits. Okay, look at it, look at the way it is. And it is time for me to pour it into my mold. This mold you are seeing here is a tin mold, and this is what people around this area love most. Okay, so the only way you can say you are making soda soap and you are not making profit out of it is when you buy the bad palm oil. Yes, because when your palm oil is bad, the this thing, your soap will be, it will form a quick trace immediately. It will not be this light for you to pour it into your mold. That is when you will say you will not have the gain, you will not make profit. You can see, look at it, look at the way they are doing it. Okay, so look at it, it's so simple. 1 cup of palm oil, your bleach palm oil, and 1 cup of your caustic soda solution. It's as simple as that. Okay, this is it. This is the second round. Okay, and this one now, I'm using, we are using nylon, like nylon to tie it. Okay, they love the thin one, and the second one is this, you can see. So it's as simple as that. So drop your question in the comment section. I hope you will try it out. So simple. Okay, do it and start selling your own. Start selling soda soap. You can see how beautiful it is. Sell your soda soap and let me know in the comment section. Start your own business, your soda soap business. You can see this is the next day. It's as strong as anything. Okay, if you don't know how to mix your lye solution, like your caustic soda, if you don't know how to mix it in water, drop your question, let me know in the comment section. I will sure teach you. Okay, I will teach you how to do all of those stuff. You don't need to fold your hands. You must start your business in this year 2025 to make profit. Soda soap, to do soda soap, you don't need to like wait for 3 or 1 week for it to cure. Like this one now, I've unmolded it and I'm taking it to the market. You can see, so strong. So, and I will see you in my next video. Drop your question in the comment section and I will attend to each and every one of your question, okay? And if you want to learn how to make laundry bar soap, soda soap, any type of soap at all, DM me and I will be willing to teach you. Bye.